ankle stretch. Some people may require a prop. Tanya does underneath the knees for this one. Tanya has a foot injury or a foot issue, so she does need to have support there. And this stretches off the quadriceps, certainly closer to the knee joint, and the front of the shin, tibialis anterior, anterior tibialis. It's a great, as the name implies, it's a great ankle stretch to help improve mobility of that foot. So how to come into ankle stretch? We start off similar to a hero pose for those that are familiar with it. So you're just kneeling down, heel on the toes, your hands just resting on the thighs. Take the hands behind the back, behind the bottom, fingers pointing away from you, and then just lean back slightly, and then lift your knees and shins off the ground, continuing to use your fingers and arms and hands as support. And that's the ankle stretch. So as I said before, some people may require to have support underneath the knees. It can be a block or a blanket. Now to make this more intense, you can bring the hands to the knees and then try and lift it. Even though you've got support there, you're trying to lift the knees off. So can you lean back, Tanya, and lift the knees off as you lean back? And that's the skill. Tanya does have issues with this one because of a foot problem. Just making some excuses for her now. And that's the ankle stretch.